Hello everyone, this is Vikas. Welcome back to Legendary Coding with Vikas. So guys, today we are going to discuss the type of application in Java. So let's start our today's session. So guys, in Java, generally all the project and all the application are divided into three types guys. First one is console based application, second one is standalone application, and third one is web based application guys. So let me write. First one is console based application, console based application. Now second one is standalone application, standalone application, and last one is web based application guys, web based application. So what is console based application, what is standalone application, and what is web based application guys? So let's first I'm going to discuss what is console based application guys. So just a second, let me do like this. So guys, anything that we write in command prompt is called guys console based application. So let me write anything that we write in command prompt is called console based application guys, console based application. So guys, in console based application, if you want to run in console based application, then we need only keyboard guys. We use only keyboard, no need of mouse guys. Console based application consists of only command guys. It's not like a graphical user interface. There is no any graphics in console based application. So it is also known as guys, let me write, it is also known as CUI guys. It is also known as CUI, character user interface guys. Let me write character user interface. So guys, it is also known as CUI, character user interface guys. Now come to standalone application guys. So what is standalone application guys? So it is run in local computer only guys. So guys, standalone एप्लीकेशन इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन लोकल कंप्यूटर गाइस. ठीक है, जैसे कि हमारे जो लोकल डेस्कटॉप लोकल कंप्यूटर पे जो होता है गाइस, एम एस एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट, उसके बाद हमारे जो होता है कैलकुलेटर गाइस, ये क्या है गाइस? स्टैंड अलोन एप्लीकेशन, स्टैंड अलोन, ये अकेले होते हैं गाइस. ठीक है. सो गाइस, लेट मी शो यू वन थिंग. I am trying to open my calculator. So let me open my calculator. So this is my calculator guys, and I want to write some value. 4 5 plus 7 8 equal to 1 2 3 guys. Our result is 1 2 3. So guys, if I want to access this calculation in another computer, is it possible guys? This calculation, can I access this my calculation in another computer? No. So it depend upon only one machine guys. So guys, it depend on only one local computer guys. Anything that we calculate here, we cannot access in another computer guys. That's why this is called standalone application. So guys, standalone application is also known as guys desktop application guys. हमें जो desktop पे जो application use करते हैं, for example calculator, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, these are called guys standalone application. So standalone application are also known as desktop based application guys. Standalone application are also known as desktop based application. It depend on local computer only. If we want to access our calculation or function that we have done in our local computer, we cannot access in another computer guys. That's why it is called standalone application. We can operate standalone application with the help of mouse and keyboard guys. We can operate or use standalone application. Standalone, let me write just a second. You can operate standalone or you can use standalone application with the help of mouse or keyboard guys. It is also known as guys GUI. So what do you mean by GUI? graphical user इंटरफेस गाइस. आप देख सकते हो, हम कोई भी चीज जैसे कि हम कैलकुलेटर यूज करते हैं गाइस, तो उसमें ग्राफिक्स रहता है कि आपको नंबर शो हो रहा है, आपको लेट मी शो यू। सो आप देख सकते हो गाइस, ये जो हमारा जो ग्राफिक्स है, ये जो वैल्यू लिखा हो रहा है यहाँ पर, ये आइकन जो दिख रहे हो आप 7, 8, 9, तो ये क्या है गाइस? ये ग्राफिक्स है। दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस। So guys, in console-based application, all the things are depend on command guys. That's why this is called character user interface. And if we are going to talk about standalone application, this is called GUI guys. This depend on graphical user interface. We interact with graphics guys with the help of mouse or keyboard guys. So guys, in standalone application, we don't require web server guys. We don't require web server. Why we don't require web server guys? Because so guys, if we want to calculate anything in our local calculator, so can we access that our calculation in another computer? No, that's why we cannot require guys web server. Okay, we cannot require web server. Now come to web based application guys. So what is web based application guys? So guys, in a standalone application, if we want to do some calculation and if we want to access that calculation in another machine, then it is impossible guys. But when we are going to talk about web-based application, in guys web-based application, if we want to access our application in another computer, then it is possible guys. Okay, for example, gmail.com, google.com, facebook.com, like this guys. सो गाइस, अगर मैं बात करूंगा जीमेल, फेसबुक के गाइस, अगर फेसबुक में आपने किसी के साथ चैट किया और अनदर कंप्यूटर में उस चैट को आप एक्सेस कर पाओगे कि नहीं कर पाओगे? कर पाओगे गाइस। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड वेब बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन गाइस। वेब बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन रिक्वायर्ड वेब सर्वर गाइस। सो गाइस, वेब बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन रिक्वायर्ड वेब सर्वर। सो लेट मी राइट वेब बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन, वेब बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन 100% required web server, 100% required web server guys. Okay, it required web server. So guys, if you want to do anything in web based application, for example, if you want to send a message through email in a web based application, then that mail we can access in another computer guys. That's why in web based application a web server must be required guys. So for example, example of web based application like gmail.com, facebook.com. So guys, all these applications like gmail.com, facebook.com, these all are used web server guys. Okay, anything that we write, anything that we done in Gmail or Facebook, that will store in web server, and in future if you want to access in another computer, we can access that can easily through with the help of web server guys. So guys, एक बार फिर रिकॉल करते हैं guys. So type of application in Java, there are 3 type of application. First one is console based application, second one is standalone application, and third one is web based application guys. If we want to run a Java code in command prompt, then that Java code is also known as console based application guys. We can operate console based application with the help of keyboard, and it is also known as CUI guys, because it depend on command. So this is also called character user interface. Now standalone application guys, standalone application mean, so guys, standalone application are also known as desktop based application, is stand alone guys, stand alone. If we want to do any operation in one computer, then we cannot access that operation in another computer guys. So that's why in standalone application we cannot require any web server guys. Now standalone application is also known as GUI, graphical user interface, because we interact with graphics guys. For example, let me show you in calculator. You can see that these are the some symbols that we need to interact with that. That's why this is called guys graphical user interface, and I have already told that we cannot require web server, but we are going to talk about web based application. 100% web server is required guys. If we want to do something in web based application, and if we want to access our data in another computer, then we can easily access. सो दिस इज फॉर टुडे गाइस। आई होप कि वीडियो आपको समझ में आ रहा हो। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो चलिए मिलते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट सेशन में, तब तक के लिए बाय।